大家好. Today we will be exploring the Chinese word 打. It is a very frequently used word and a HSK level 1 to 6 Chinese word. The Chinese word 打 is a verb that has multiple meanings and usages depending on the context that it is used. How to write the Chinese word 打? The radical for 打 is 手, which is hand in English. The component is 丁, which means male adult, robust, or vigorous. The Chinese word 打 is a 形声字, refers to characters that are composed of both a semantic, which is meaning component, and a phonetic, a sound component. The semantic component is 手 and the phonetic is 丁, although 丁 does not sound at all like 打. How to use 打?
我已经把照片电邮给你了，收到了吗？没收到？怎么可能？哦，我发错邮址了。
打电话 is a HSK level 1 Chinese word. 电话 is phone in English, so 打电话 is making a call rather than hitting the phone.
好久没打篮球了，要不要比试一下？
打篮球太累了，我比较喜欢游泳。
打篮球 this is an easy one. 篮球 means basketball. 打 over here means to play. So 打篮球 means to play basketball.
你打算什么时候请我吃饭？
干嘛我得请你吃饭呢？
别装蒜了，我介绍这么好的房屋经济给你，你都没好好报答我。
对了，我怎么把这事给忘了？今天怎么样？
这还差不多。
打算 a HSK level 3 Chinese word refers to a rough outline of what someone originally intended to do. 算 by itself means to calculate. 打算 means making plans based on the future.
苏珊，打扮得这么漂亮，是去约会吗？不是，我是去参加朋友的婚礼。又一个朋友结婚了，什么时候轮到你呀？我没那么快吧，我连男朋友都没呢。
打扮 打扮 is a HSK level 4 Chinese term referring to the appearance created by dressing up or made to become more attractive by wearing beautiful clothes or putting on makeup.
不好意思，打扰一下，
你是？
我是李先生介绍过来的。您是陈先生吗？
正是。你是房屋经纪？
是。李先生说你想租房子。
打扰 打扰 refers to disturbing, interrupting, or causing inconvenience to someone due to something. It is commonly used in polite speech. It is a HSK level 4 Chinese word.
小陈，进来一下。
老板， 找我什么事？
帮我把这些文件打印10份，明天会议要用的。
好的，我这就去办。
打印打印 is a Chinese term that means to print in English. It refers to the process of producing a paper copy of a digital or electronic document or image using a printer. It is a HSK Level 4 Chinese word.
陈先生，你好，我是过来跟您打声招呼的。
你太客气了。
这房子你喜欢吗？还住的习惯吗？
很好，我太喜欢了。谢谢你帮我找了这么一个好房子。
哪里是我应该做的？
打招呼 is to express friendliness or politeness through actions or words. It is equivalent to say hi, hello, or greetings in English. Another meaning of 打招呼 is to let someone knows or remind someone before or after a matter or issues.
老板，苹果怎么卖？
1公斤5块钱。
那么贵，给我打个折吧。
我不是不想打折，但我实在是没办法。这年头生意难做呀。
打折打折 means to offer a discount from the original price. 打 means to offer and 折 is to reduce a percentage of the original price. For example, 八折 means 20% discount and not 80%.
你现在有空吗？
我在打工呢，前天才定下来的。
那改天再聊。加油喽！
打工打工 is a HSK Level 5 Chinese word. The word 打 here means to do and 工 is to work. It is different in meaning from 工作。打工 typically refers to part-time or temporary work, whereas 工作 is a more general term that refers to paid employment or a job.
小陈，你怎么和小张这种人打交道？
小张怎么了？
他是坏人，整天无所事事，就知道喝酒。
他人其实不坏，就是沾上坏习惯。没事。
打交道打交道 is a Chinese phrase that means transactions or contacts occurring between individuals, organizations, or countries. 打交道 is also a HSK Level 5 Chinese word.
小李，你人面广，能帮我打听一下房子的事吗？
你想买房吗？
我哪有钱买房呀？我想租房。我现在住的地方离公司太远了。
明白，我帮你问问。
打听 where 听 is to listen. 打听 is a Chinese term that is equivalent to inquire, ask around, or seek information in English. It is used when you want to find out more about something or someone. This word is often used when you're trying to learn more about a particular topic, person, event, or situation through asking questions or talking to others. 打听 is a HSK Level 5 Chinese word.
服务员，我点太多吃不下了，可以帮我打包吗？
好的，请稍等。
服
打 plus 包打包 is a HSK Level 6 Chinese word. 打包 is equivalent to take away or to ask for a doggy bag in English. 包 is to wrap in this context, although it also has the meaning of bag or hold in English.
你怎么垂头丧气的？
别提了，我被告了，下星期得打官司。
严重吗？
不说了。
官司 means lawsuit in English. When you want to sue or take legal action against someone, you need to add the Chinese word 打 in front of 官司.打官司 means to take legal action or to sue someone.
爸爸，这是我男朋友彼得。
彼得，你是干什么的？我是医生。在哪间医院？什么科的？
爸，你干嘛问那么多？
打量 is a combination of 打 plus 量. 量 has two pronunciations. When pronounced as 量, second tone, it means to measure. When pronounced as 量, fourth tone, it means quantity, capacity, or amount. 打量 is to size somebody up or to look someone up and down.
你这是要去哪里？
和大卫他们到阿拉斯加打猎去。
打猎？听起来挺刺激的。
是啊，我也挺期待的。不说了，得走了，回来再聊。
打猎打猎 is to go hunting. The Chinese word 猎 means hunting. A hunter in Chinese would be 猎人, where 人 is a person. 打猎 is also a HSK Level 6 Chinese word.
你脸怎么了？
我被打了。
你被打了，还是你跟谁打架了？快说实话！
我跟小强打架了。
打架打架 is a HSK Level 6 Chinese word which means to fight in English. It is a combination of 打 and 架. 架 by itself means to support or it is a frame or a rack. 今天的视频到此结束，希望大家喜欢，谢谢大家的支持，再见。